throw a cast net from in the water. First, take this horn on your net and put it on your hand like that. And then coil. And when you coil, take almost about arm's length and put your right hand right under where your left hand is. And then pull. Coil again, but almost about waist level. If you want to go to the water and that deep point, then you'll have to do it shorter than your waist. Then, right over here, at the back of the net so you don't twist it, put this strand onto your forearm. And not too long, or else it will get caught into this rope, which we don't want. Then take another strand and put it over your thumb. And whisk the net over your knees. And kind of check for any tangles. If so, you have to untangle them. Do not overlap the net and make it like this. Make sure the net doesn't overlap, or else if you throw, it gets twisted and things like that can happen. And then make sure it's almost about right, like flat. Take this strand, put your hand under all these layers of nets, and slide them up. Not the net though, just this strand. And this part of your hand holds this and slides up from beneath the layers. And kind of raise the net up too, so it makes it easier for you to throw. And when you throw, turn back, and then move the net up, and when you move the net up, twist like that. And then you get that fan kind of... This part we're seeing right now is the top, and this part we're seeing right now is the bottom.
Straight go to the right. Rồi, cua rồi.